Hello friends, welcome to Pak-Turk blogger channel.
Luxembourg, as everyone has gone for summer vacation, so the government restrict trains journey. Like the trains normally, you cannot find train direct from Esch to Luxembourg, but you can find bus which will go direct from Esch to Luxembourg. I think it's really good. The bus journey is also same as the train. So guys, finally we are at Luxembourg Gare.
So guys, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. I see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Our train is coming, as you can see.
Why man?
This is the future. Guys, right now we are in Amelius.
So, guys, in Luxembourg, you will find a lot of Turkish restaurants. Ankara kebab, Ankara snack, Istanbul snack. But the taste is not like Turkish one.
Like real Turkish taste, then you have to go to Turkey. Because here in Luxembourg you cannot find that. You can see here the restaurants are full.
So
Glass is it's 0.5 liter, so maybe 2 liter I can. So guys, right now we are in Amelius. Amelius. That's the very famous stop. Here you can find all the restaurants, all the nightlife. You can come and enjoy here. There are so many restaurants.
I cannot come. They have my voice. So you know the guy?
So guys, let's go. I will show you around. These streets are really beautiful. An idea, it's sleep store.
Slip store. Basic fit.
As you can see, the streets are full. Today is Friday. Everyone came out from their houses in Luxembourg on Friday. Everyone is enjoying and they are coming to restaurants. They are having fun on Friday night. So guys, this is the Duke building. I'll show the building. So guys, this is the nightlife. Even you can see there are the restaurants. People are. Come guys. Follow me, I know the way. I showed you the nature, but this time in our video,
So man, here is the nightlife, huh?
yeah, no, in our videos I will show you the city life, nightlife, city life.
Okay.
So this video will also be interesting video. In Luxembourg, anything can happen. So we did swimming in daytime, and
And say how many coke we had
we have 4 coke, guys, 4.
without paying even a penny.
No, we paid €9.
But you made it halal, man.
We paid €9, and we had 4 cokes. And this area is also restaurants, very good restaurants. You can find it here. But as we are eaten already,
So we are not gonna go there.
We are not hungry, so we will not go there.
But you have, I mean, we have the money, so.
We have money,
But we don't
can,
want.
like we can afford it. So
Peki ya da verin bunu ya. Verin de sen peki ya.
So what if someone wants to buy seafood?
This is the
This is
future.
the big fish, yeah.
How much is that?
This is the future, guys. So guys, we are very full, like we had 4 drinks and I am not in a mood of eating anything.
Man, you have to eat something.
No man, I am not in a mood of eating anything.
fish.
This is sensor. Sensor, yeah, man. We have to censor.
اینا چند که رسید و بودنگاه اینا هم
وقت سخت باشید شب لاغره یکی هست خیلی موضوع خرابه یه دختره آدم حسابی بود خیلی اینا یه دختره مثل محسن
نه خیلی فقط جا ندارم
رستوران لوکسامبورگ آباد کردی میگه همه رو رفتی
So guys, right now we are in front of the golden lady. That golden lady is made of pure gold. And you know the gold price is so much high nowadays. But anyway, that's the golden. We are in world second richest country. So this is Luxembourg and this is free transportation. For living here in Luxembourg, there are so many benefits. Maybe you can turn it on the right side. So guys, there are so many benefits if you are living in world richest country, because in world richest country they are providing you so many things which you cannot expect in poor countries. The public transportation in Luxembourg is and it's totally free.
So is it true that in the near future the Burger King will be also free?
The Burger King is already free if you are collecting coins. All the public transportations are free here in Luxembourg, and only the expensive thing is the apartments or your accommodation.
The rest is fine.
The rest is okay. Even if you don't have money, you can survive in Luxembourg. So guys, another benefit of living here is that after 5 years, after you complete 5 years, they will give you nationality. So that's the best thing living here in Luxembourg.